Hi, I'm Jesse the Jeweler here. I'm going to show you guys how we professionally clean a ring. Not a lot of people know what I do to clean a ring, but let's show you. Start out, stick in the ultrasonic machine. It makes a little noise. Cleans the ring with ultrasonic waves going through the water and just makes a cloud come off. It sits for a minute. Then get a little toothbrush. A little toothbrush on the back of it. Make sure we get all the diamonds clean. Alright, back in here just to knock off anything that we've loosened up. Now we suggest about every 6 months to bring your ring clean. Soap, scum, anything from washing your hands, lotion, stick in the back of the ring and make your diamonds look hazy or dead. So this will right back. Alright. Next, we step to the steam machine. This is what actually does the work. This will pull all of the stuff out the back of the ring. And we'll start off so little. So I'm working to put steam through every window and every hole so I can get to the back of each diamond. And there is the amazing, beautiful color it should be. Well, thanks for watching. Come to Buchroeders and see me when you need your ring cleaned.